Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's continue. Number 7. So in number 7, we are going to practice verbs in the positive, negative, and question forms. Let's see if you know how to put them in these three forms. So write these sentences in the correct form in present simple positive. He want to learn English. She go to the gym every day. Alison watch TV in the evening. Jackson miss his family very much. So can we say he want to learn English? No. What do we say? He wants. In present simple, the verb with he and she and it take an S. So the verb takes an S with he, she, it. He wants to learn English. If you write he want without S, it's not correct. The second sentence, she go to the gym every day. So the answer is she goes. Y-E-S. We studied in our lessons of present simple that if the verb ends in O or double S, SH, CH, X, and Z, so with he, she, it, doesn't take just S, takes ES. She goes to the gym every day. Number 3. Alison watch TV in the evening. So Alison watches, so the verb ends in CH. Watches TV in the evening. If you write Alison watch with S, watches with S, it's not correct. ES. And goes, if you write it just with S, it's not correct. ES. Jackson miss his family very much. Jackson misses his family very much. If you write Jackson miss, it's not correct. If you write miss with 3S, it's not correct. So the correct answer is with ES. If you have problems, go to our lessons in this channel of present simple with he, she, it.